Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol APRN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis a couple days ago, so that's where the green line down there is coming from. But after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be done. I'm just going to go ahead and use this line for nearer-term levels of support. Sure, that level still pertains down there. It's just not relevant. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's clutter with lines all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. The first update, though, that needs to be made comes about via the newest level of support, which I would call the ideal level at 87. What do I mean by ideal? Where if you were to say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would certainly be if the price can continue to maintain above 87 cents. Now, with that being said, if the price falls below 87, by no means am I saying the entire chart's broken or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can actually manage to stay up above 87, that would definitely be a huge sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at things from more so the big picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the chart. That right there being defined as, the overall health of the movement. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full control, the bulls are in full health. However you can best visualize that, that is what's being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 87, that would be great. However, from the big picture of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, right now it's all about the pink line up there, which on my chart is denoting the famous 200-period simple moving average. And you can see that several times this morning the price was rejected by it. Good news is, though, is that the price is somewhat close to it. I'm assuming there's no big gap downs or anything like that. The price may be able to start to do battle with it right away Friday morning, so we'll have to see where the price actually opens up. However, big thing here is that very, very nice movement today. Not just a question of can the bulls start to build upon this momentum going forward. We will see, but looking like it's going to shape up to be a pretty interesting Friday. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.